Long before memory learned to name itself, before men carved meaning into stone or sky, there exists a world covenant not by a king of flesh, but by the silent covenant of the soul chairs. This unseen glacial, guide every life, tended by two eternal orders, the white called keepers of time, gentle flow, and the red called burden of every ending, together preserving balance, yet never get turning of the cosmos. The white king would fail to fall and be reborn.
Refuse.
The same soul, yet never the same man. And thus the world was new again and again.